Good morning. Let's see where we are so far with the first winter storm of the winter season in Wisconsin. Well, not too bad so far. Got a light, I'd say it's a light dusting, maybe half an inch. And it's not currently snowing, but it's supposed to be snowing throughout the day. Like so far, this is what we got for cover. So, you know, I'm not too disappointed. These poor guys and their roof didn't get done yet. Oh man. Alright, so good morning again and happy Tuesday. Russ came home yesterday with he gets to work from home today because of whatever snow we're supposed to get. And the kitty's like, I'm confused. I am confused. I need to, I don't know, yesterday you saw my beard coming in. I'll need to take care of that. And you're excused. Russ is making his coffee. I don't have to work for probably 20 minutes or something. 25. I don't know what time is it. It's 7:29. Yeah. Well, I don't have to work till 8, so 30 minutes. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you later. Ah, yes. Good afternoon. My hair's still very soft. Luscious and glamorous. Yeah, that mask treatment really does help. Okay, I'm just gonna put you right here, and we're gonna get our hair brushed out. So Russ is on. Come on, really? What happened? Is there supposed to be a spring in here or something? Because I did this before and then it fixed itself. I'm not really sure if just like... Yeah, fixed itself. I don't know. Just gonna refresh. I'm not gonna do a detangle or condition or anything because it doesn't need it now. I did that yesterday. I really want one of those continuous spray bottles, which I have in my wish list, my Amazon wish list. Oh, I should have it there. I should check that again. I think I do. I will check it, and then if not, I will add one. Regardless, that's Amazon wish list. Amazon wishes. Oh. Whoever took a shower last didn't put the plunger thing down. It's probably Russ. I have a habit of like turning the water off and then flipping the plunger thing down. So that, you know, when you turn the shower on and the plunger thing is already up, it's going to hit you in the face with the shower water instead of having just the bath water on. The faucet, you know what I mean. All right, so that's that. Itch, scratch. Oh, I need one of those those head massager things that do like this metal, just like this. I need one of those because I love to scratch my head, and I don't want to cause too much damage to my scalp. And that seems like it wouldn't be too much damage. Yeah, see? I'll refresh. There we go. Let's go make some lunch. For lunch today, Russ there. Toasty! Ow, my ear. Sorry. Right in my ear. Grilled cheese and tomato soup on this snowy day. Toasty! Oh, Jesus Christ. You see right up your nose. And it has begun to snow again. Let's see, go over here. Can we see? No, we can't see. It's not really huge flakes. It's snowing. You can see it's blowing around and stuff. It's there.
Look outside too.
But it's small nuggets. Or small flakes. Nuggets. Small flakes. But it's snowing. You can see it better out here. With the downed tree in the backyard. Yeah. Alright. Should be snowing all day. Okay.
It shouldn't, but it probably
It's
is.
going to because we live in Wisconsin. Oh, let's turn that one off. See you after lunch. It's my headset. It's cordless. It's storming now, for sure. Urgh. It's coming down. It's not yelling timber. Look at this now. Can you see past? Here, we'll even open it. Look at all that. I feel bad for the neighbors. You see all that? That's the roofing supplies. That's their roofing supplies, yep. And I don't know if you can hear, probably in the office you will. Let's see. I'll go back to my office. I'm on break right now, just for a little bit. Burp. I burped. Okay, so, they're getting their siding done. They don't have enough siding on their roof, on their sides right now. So they have this. So we can hear flap, flap, flap in the wind. Oh, look at that. They got no siding. Yeah. That sucks for them. Why are you moving? All the way over here, the wind chimes. Excuse me, wind chimes. I would like you to not do that. Bing. Ding. Sure, because I bumped, maybe. Yeah, I bumped it a little. Any case, I am I'm like an hour from when I was supposed to have my break. But I worked till 5 today. I'm working till 5 today. It's like a 30 minutes extra. Oh, that reminds me. I think I forgot to put in my time from yesterday. I'm gonna do that, and I'll talk to you when I'm done with work. Okay, it is 5. It's after 5. Yes, normally on Tuesdays I only work till 4:30, but that's when I'm in the office. So today I worked 8 to 5. It's an extra 30 minutes of overtime for me. Russ is outside dealing with swapping vehicles around because he wants to take the truck tomorrow to work, which is totally understandable because Toyotas, the cars, are crap for snow. Crap. Okay? I don't have like 4-wheel. I don't have the RAV4 or any 4-wheel drive or anything like that. I'm getting ready to make some taco meat. We're gonna try some ground pork because it was a cheap meat. So we're trying it out. We're gonna try it out and see how ground pork tacos are. Okay. Oh, I left this in the fridge. It's not even defrosted all the way. That's okay. Look, it looks like this. This is what it looks like. It looks like just really light beef. So it's somewhat soft right now. It's just ground pork. See, it was only $3.29. That's some cheap ass meat. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Almost 2 pounds, so a little over 1.5 pounds of ground pork. So when I defrosting something, I will put the lid on it when I'm doing it like that. Like it's partially defrosted, but not all the way. So I am so close. I have one fish. I've got like 1 cent, 0.01, got 1 cent left on my freaking Temu. And then I'll get my free stuff. And the free stuff that I've had to change a couple of times because it was sold out or whatever. I'm going to get one of those spin brushes. You see them on TikTok all the time. They have like extended handle and they're electric and a spin brush cleaning thing. So I'm going to get one of those. And then I'll get like a meat chopper. Like, you know, get your ground meat and you chop it and it's like an X shape or something. One of those things. And then there was an outfit, I think. Speaking of free stuff, I've got like 2 packages of free shit coming from Temu. They had 100% rebate. And I was talking about that earlier, like in a couple videos ago. Yeah, so I had another 100% rebate thing. And like I said, my Temu's connected to my PayPal. And there's no money in my PayPal currently because I don't need it in there. And so if it was going to charge me anything, it wouldn't have been able to because I got no money in my PayPal. So I'm going to get some free shit, I think. Yeah, I just got an email about it being mailed and it should show up like next week or something. Hopefully we're not having a snowstorm. Anyways, and hopefully I'm home when it's delivered, so that would be nice too. Yeah, I like free shit. I mean, who doesn't? Got my pork tacos, street tacos, and it's time to get mad with Vanderpump Rules. Okay. It's still snowing. It's lighter snow, but it's still snowing. See, look at this. He moved the truck out in the front because he's going to take the truck to work. He shoveled before. Now it's all still covered. It's all covered up now. Yeah, so, you know, hopefully what he did shovel will make it easier. Excuse the darkness. Will make it easier to shovel, you know, later on. Okay, so now I must pee before I go to bed. All right, so we're watching Vanderpump. Russ lays down on me and he falls asleep. And he's like, I wasn't sleeping. He was totally sleeping. Yeah, kitty, he was. He was sleeping. And so now, anyways, are you rewatching it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's fine, I guess. Since I'll fall asleep during it. Okay, so he's rewatching the episode because, like I said, he fell asleep all the time. Fall asleep during the show. He fell asleep. I don't want to rewatch it, so he's gonna rewatch it now. That's fine. So I'm getting ready for bed, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have yourself a great night. Toasty! Eat toast. Toodles. I need